Good morning guys, it's 8 AM in the morning. Got my face on because I'm off to the hairdressers. I'm gonna go get my hair cut. My hair is so dirty. Like, I've just put it up in a bun and I'm finally getting my hair cut. It's finally happening guys. This is getting chopped off. Guys, I've just had my hair cut. Oh my gosh, it feels so different. I've never had, well, the last time I had short hair was when I was about 11 years old, so that doesn't really count. I've never had short hair during my adult life, and it feels so nice because my ends were so dry and so just like damaged that now my hair feels really nice and soft. And a lot of this hair is actually like the decent hair, not the dry, straggly, like burnt to death hair. And to be honest, I feel like I need to go home and straighten it a little bit more because I feel like the straighteners that I use at home are better than the ones that I use at the salon, because I get my hair like poker straight. But it feels so nice. And let me just sit up a little bit. It's a little bit longer than I was gonna go for, but I think I need to get used to it. I can't go like short because I'm gonna be like, oh, it's going to be such a shock to my system. So what I'm going to do is, in a couple of weeks, I'm going to get my hair coloured. I didn't have the time to do it today because I have to go home and shoot some content that needs to be sent off by lunchtime, and it's like 10 o'clock now, 10 AM. So yeah, I think in a couple of weeks time I'm going to get my hair coloured, and then she said we can see how I feel, and if I want to go shorter then we can go shorter. But it's really blunt. I was just like, do it as blunt and straight as possible, and that's what she did. And I really liked her because normally hairdressers take off quite a lot of hair and then you're like, oh, that's shorter than I expected. But she was actually doing the opposite. She was like, are you sure you want to go shorter? Are you sure you want to go shorter? She would take some more off. Like, she was doing it gradually, so she wasn't just like, okay, you want short hair, chop. So yeah, I like it. I thought I'd be on the fence, and I thought I'd be like, oh, but I actually really like it. Yeah, just finished shooting my content and I feel so tired and drained, and I am super hungry. And I put too much blush on this morning because this morning I had nude lips. What I didn't realize is when I put my red lipstick on, then my blush looks even more like heavy, and it's just too much. And yeah, I had to turn it down in the photos. I just had to yeah. Aiden comes home tonight and I actually can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go for a car wash now because it's just easy to go for a car wash when he's not with me. And then I have to go to the post office to pay some bills, and then yeah, just come home and tidy basically. And I might do some grocery shopping as well, just bits and bobs. I do have stuff in my house, but just little bits and bobs. Guys, I've been at it again just before Aiden comes home. I did that, finished that drawer, and then I did my jeans. Oh my gosh, hallelujah. These jeans all look a little bit washed out, but the camera's just really light. These are black jeans, these are blue jeans, and these are denim shorts. Oh my gosh, I can actually see everything. No more rummaging. Look who's home. Mummy missed you. Did you miss Mummy? Yeah. A lot? Eden, how much did you miss Mummy? A lot?
I got Titi.
Titi?
Yeah.
Wait to Mummy then. What did you buy? Mummy missed you. Did you miss Mummy?
Yeah.
How much? A lot?
Yeah.
Missed you. Can I get changed now?
No.
Why? Good morning guys, today is a Tuesday and look who's home. Yay, Aiden's home. He's just watching my mobile phone. Today I'm wearing my H&M hoodie, I'm wearing my Zara coat and some black jeans, which is kind of my go-to uniform, just comfy and casual. And then I have my little Chloe bag, and I'm really getting used to my hair now. I really like it, and I'm actually at the stage where I'm quite happy with it, and I would actually might go shorter, but I don't know, I think this is a good length. This is a good length for me to get used to having short hair, but I wouldn't mind going a little bit shorter. But then if I go shorter, it'll be just sitting on my shoulders, and that's when you start getting those weird flicky things and kinks. So I'm not sure, but yeah, casual outfit, probably just put on my snakeskin loafers to finish off. I've worn this outfit before, and this coat is actually back in stock on Zara. It was in the sale during winter, so I got it in the January sales, but I think because it's popular, they've brought it back out, and with different colours as well. So you can get it in this colour, you can get it in a colour like this, which is like a lighter camel colour, and then you can get it in black as well. So yeah, if you want to get it, I'll link it down below. Just come into break because I need coffee and I'm starving. It's 11:30, and I actually slept really bad last night because I fell asleep at 8 p.m. and throughout the night I kept waking up because I felt like my body clock was ready to wake up at 5 a.m. So from 5 a.m. I was like in and out of sleep, and then this little one's got a little baby tuna. Is that lollipop nice? Do you want a straw? Do you want a straw? Hey, where would you like to sit? That one? Are you ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna hold on to Mummy's leg?
Yeah.
This is his favourite train ride. Every time I come here, he has to go on it. This train literally just goes around the whole shopping centre. It actually takes a while, but he loves it. Are you excited?
I like big king.
You like big train?
I got big king this one.
You like this one?
Yeah.
What colour is this one?
I know.
You do know.
Who's that?
Who?
What is
Yellow.
this?
Red. Oh, hold on. Are you ready? Just popped to IKEA because I need to refund this rug. I got it last time and it's been a while now, so I'm hoping that the receipt is still valid for a refund, not a return. But I thought I'd quickly come and do it today before the receipt goes out of date. Where's Coffee? Tell her to come. Good morning, guys. Today is a Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day today, and I basically did some work this morning, and then little Eden's just been chilling, haven't you? Did you have some nice breakfast? I'm going to school now. Oh, look at him. Basically, it's Valentine's Day, but he's got nursery, and I don't want him to miss another day of nursery because he's been away for 10 days now from nursery, so I want him to go back to nursery. And then Mummy will pick you up later. And then what are we gonna do?
Go home.
Go home?
Yeah.
Do you wanna go for dinner? It's Valentine's Day. Shall Mummy take you out on a date? My one true love.
Yeah.
Yeah? Where do you wanna go?
Play.
You wanna go play?
Yeah.
Where can we play?
Hi. Kitchen.
Sorry?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. You wanna play kitchen? This little guy really wants one of those IKEA kitchens, which I really do want to get him because he really enjoys it, and it's like a role play, so it's quite good for him, to be honest. But I'm still trying to clear out his room because before I start buying stuff like kitchens and more toys, I want to get his bed in. I want to make sure the room is like his proper room. But it's so cute because he calls it his room now. Eden, don't kick her. You might hurt her. She just wants kisses. She just wants kisses. Coffee. Oh. Honestly, people are like, wait until you have 2 kids. I honestly feel like I already have 2 kids because Coffee acts like a child. Coffee doesn't act like a dog. She's like a child. She likes constant attention. And look, She realises that I'm talking about her now. Sit down, Coffee, sit down. Sit down. Good girl. Look, she doesn't care if she just sits on Aiden. You're funny. Is Coffee funny? Wouldn't want Valentine's Day any other way. At home with my 2 babies. Oh, Coffee. No, 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 no. Good girl. Do you want a treat? Do you want to go get Coffee a treat? Aiden, go get Coffee a treat. A little one. You go on then. You get her it. She likes it when you get her it. See? Can you get it now? Can you get it?
No.
Can you get it now? Look. Can you touch it? Can you feel it? Yeah, you got one. Oh, say good girl.
Oh, that's not sit down.
Oh, Coffee didn't sit down.
No.
That's right. She needs to sit down, doesn't she, for a treat? Go on then, you tell her to sit down for another. Oh, you tell her to sit down then for another one.
Okay. Sit down.
So Coffee sit. See, she did it. Woohoo! She listened to you, didn't she?
Yeah.
Ooh. No more. Do you want to put it back? Just come to the library because I want to edit my video here. I said to myself that I'm not going to work at home all the time, and I'm going to get out and actually work in a place. So I come to the library, and yeah, it's really quiet here. Shh. Hey guys, so I just came home to this amazing package from Charlotte Tilbury. It's their Pillow Talk collection. As you can see, they've given me 2 of everything. One for me to keep and then one for a giveaway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the giveaway on Instagram, and my Instagram is just at Style Susie. So if you don't follow me and you want to enter the giveaway, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram, just because I don't want you guys to miss out. When I opened this package, I was just like, oh my gosh, my jaw actually dropped, because it's the first time, I think, actually maybe the second time, but the first time for a luxury brand to send me 2 of everything. There's the eyeshadow palette, the blusher, the lipstick and the lip liner, and that's all Pillow Talk. So yeah, I'm so excited to do this giveaway. I love doing giveaways, and to be honest, I haven't tried Pillow Talk lipstick myself, so I'm really excited to try that as well. I'm about to go pick up Aiden from nursery, but I've just stopped off at Sainsbury's because I really want to get him a rose, because this is, I think, the first Valentine's Day that he gets. Well, he doesn't get what Valentine's Day is, but he knows that it's a special day. So I'm going to go get him a rose and surprise him when I pick him up from nursery. I think that would be really cute, and he's never had a flower before, so I'll teach him how to water it as well and put it in a vase. Oh, that's going to be really cute. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Mummy's got you a little present. Where? Here, look. Huh? What's this? Mummy got you a rose.
What?
Mummy got you a flower.
That.
I just said to Aiden, Mummy can take you out on a date. What do you want to eat? You can eat anything and I'll take you anywhere. And he was like, I just want a Happy Meal. And I was like, okay, we can have Happy Meal tomorrow. Should we go to a burger place? And if you want a burger, he was like, no, I just want a Happy Meal. And he said he wants a dinosaur toy as well. So since it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to treat him to a new toy and a Happy Meal. Cheap date, just like Mummy doesn't appreciate food. Oh wow, Aiden, look. Can you see T-Rex? Where? Up there. Aiden, are you happy?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, Mummy.
What is it?
Up again.
Oh, it's the moon.
Moon.
Good morning guys, it's quite early. It's 9 AM on a weekend. I'm just off to pick up Aiden because he has a photo shoot, a modelling photo shoot for Next, and it's in North London, so it's going to be about an hour to get there, so I'm going to leave a little bit early so that we're not late. And yeah, I'll take you along with me. I'm not sure, I'm probably not going to be able to vlog in the shoot because they don't allow it, just because the clothing that they're modeling is like next season, so they don't want it to be leaked. But I'll see what I can shoot because it'll be quite fun. Then after that I'm going to dim sum with my friends, and obviously Aiden's gonna come along. Aiden's gonna have so much fun with his aunties because he hasn't seen them in a while, so that'll be fun as well. And then afterwards we're just gonna chill, so yeah, let's see what happens today.
That one's trapped.
That's Aiden. Can't see.
No.
2, 3, you ready? Woohoo! You did it. Stand still. So we just finished having dim sum, and then me and another friend was like, I really fancy bubble tea, so it was like, oh, let's go to Westfield. It's still open, so we're in Westfield and we need to go find them, but I'm gonna go get him an Easter egg first because I promised him an Easter egg. Marshall, oh yes, there's a Paw Patrol little card there. You're right. We've literally just finished doing some. We've got bubble tea and now we're having fries, and now we have vegetable samosas. And this little one is just watching because the fries are actually spicy and he can't have it. But he said he's not hungry, so. Aiden wanted fries and the ones that we got were spicy, so we've literally just walking all around Westfield looking for fries because everything is closed. So we've actually ended up in Five Guys, and we've got this little guy, his fries. Are you waiting for it? And I got extra as well for my friend, so we can just like share it. Fries, always a good idea. We are home now. I feel like it's been such a long day. Literally went to dim sum and then we went to Westfield. We stayed at Westfield for like 2 or 3 hours, even though we was only going to go for bubble tea. But whenever me and my friends like get to catch up, we like literally chat for ages. So yeah, we're at home now and Aiden's just having a little play. What are you building?
House.
You're building a little house on his Lego house. Wow, you're clever.